Hi students, welcome to NR classes. Now we will discuss some important topics about inductive effects. In before video we discussed some important topics about inductive effect. Now we will discuss some more important topics about inductive effects. So what is the inductive effect? Partially displacement of sigma electrons towards most electronegative atom in a saturated molecules that are called as inductive effect. So this is the partially displacement effect, this is the permanent effect, this is the depending on distance after 3 carbons, this effect is negligible. Due to some hetero groups, some charges are induced, that's why this effect is called as inductive effects. That's why this effect is called as inductive effects. So based on inductive effects, some applications are there. The stability of carbocation, carbanion, free radicals, and reactivity of some compounds, alkyl halides, alcohols, carboxylic acids, and aldehydes and ketones. These are explained in before video. Now we will discuss some more important topics, applications of inductive effect, that is the dipole moment and acidic and basic nature. Acidic and basic nature of the compounds. So dipole moment, inductive effect is effect on dipole moment. Inductive effect is effect on dipole moment. So alkyl halides. So for example, CH3C, CH3I, and CH3Br. and CH3Cl. So this is the Cl is more negative minus I group, more negative group, more minus I group. That electrons very near to the chlorine. The electrons, sigma electron displaces to near to the chlorine. Here more negative charge is obtained, more partially negative charge, here more positive charge. Here when compared to bromine, here more negative charge is there. So due to this negative charges, the dipole moment is increases here. More charges are developed on the chlorine. So the dipole moment of chlorine in this compound 1.83D. So here 1.79. So this is the very less, that equal to 1.64D. So negative effect increases, dipole moment increases, negative effect increases, dipole moment increases, polar nature increases. This is the most soluble compound when compared to this. This is the most soluble when compared to this. So when compared to this 3, CH3F is more polar group. Here the electrons very near to the chlorine, here more negative charge on chlorine, here less, more positive charge on carbon. But when compared to methyl chloride is a less dipole moment. Why? Because a dipole moment equal to charge into distance. Dipole moment equal to charge into distance. Here bond length is very less. Here bond length is very less. D is very less. Charge is more, but D is very less. That's why dipole moment of methyl chloride is less than methyl chloride. So what is the correct order of dipole moment? So A, B, C, D. D. So dipole moment of methyl chloride is in between 1.79 R and 1.83. So here more dipole moment, C, next D, next B, next A. So why in this compound dipole moment decreases? Due to less bond length. So inductive effect is effect on, this effect is effect on dipole moment. So more polar, more soluble, more polar, more soluble compounds. So next go to acidic nature of these some aliphatic compounds. Some aliphatic compounds acidic nature is explained by inductive effect. In alkanes, alkenes, alkenes and alkynes. Alkanes, alkenes, alkynes. In alkanes, CH4, CH3, CH3 ethane, methane, ethane, propane, propane and butane. Which one have more acidic? Which one have more acidic? So acidic property is nothing but lose H plus ions. Lose H plus ions gives H plus ion easily that have more acidic nature. So remove the H plus from methane that forms CH3 minus and lose H plus ion that is convert to CH3 CH2 minus and lose H plus ions that is convert to CH3 CH2 CH2 minus. Here lose H plus ion CH3 CH2 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 minus. So here carbanions are formed after losing of H plus ions. Which carbanion is most stable? That reactant fastly involved in reaction, that reactant easily, that compound easily lose the H plus ion when compared to remaining. When compared to remaining. So here CH3 minus is most stable according to inductive effect. According to inductive effect, here hydrogen zero inductive effect. Here positive inductive effect is there. Here positive inductive effect increases. So plus I effect increases. Stability of carbanion decreases. Plus I effect increases. Stability of carbanion decreases. So minus plus I effect increases. Stability of carbanion. Carbanion stability decreases. So this is the least stable carbanion, least stable carbanion. So this butane is less involved in this reaction, not easily give H plus ions. So butane is less acidic when compared to propane. Propane is less acidic than when compared to ethane. Ethane is less acidic when compared to methane. So methane is more acidic. Methane is more acidic than. Methane is more acidic than. So ethane is more acidic than propane. Propane is more acidic than. Propane is more acidic than butane. So number of carbons increases. Plus I effect increases. Plus I effect increases. Acidic nature decreases. So now one more important question is there based on these examples. Which of the following is more conjugate base? Which of the following more conjugate base? So which one have weak acid? The conjugate base came from weak acid, that is the strong conjugate base. What is the key point, students? What is the key point? The conjugate base came from weak acid, that is the strong conjugate base. Strong conjugate base. The conjugate base came from weak acid, that is the strong conjugate base. So which is weak acid here? Butane is weak acid. The conjugate base came from this compound, that is the strong acid. That is a strong acid. Why? Because here alkyl groups donating to the carbon that have negative charge is less stable on this carbon, so that negative charge easily donating to other carbon, or H plus easily accept. So the compound which easily accept the H plus, that is the strong acid. That is strong acid. Okay, students. So conjugate base. What is the order of conjugate base? So here this is the A. So this is the B. This is the C. This is the D. So which is strong conjugate base? D is more strong conjugate base than C. C is more stable than B. B is more stable than A. So one more example, one more important example. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3 butane. This is the A. And isobutane. And next. So when compared to these two, A and B, A and B. So here, remove the hydrogen here. So CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2 plus minus, and remove the hydrogen from second carbon. Yes, CH2, CH minus and CH3. Remove the hydrogen from this compound CH3, this carbon. CH3 minus CH3. So which one is most stable? Carbanion. Which one most stable? Carbanion. This is the most stable when compared to remaining. So for example, this is the A, this is the B, this is the C. So 1, 2. So A and B came from 1 and C's came from 2. So which carbanion is most stable when compared to this 3? This is the most stable. So this is the more acidic when compared to remaining compounds. So this is the more acidic when compared to this. So here two possibilities are there. So one convert to A, that is the more acidic. This way, in this way more acidic, in this way more acidic. So this is the least acidic. Why? Because here carbanion is least stable. Why? Because here alkyl groups donating to electrons to this carbon. Alkyl groups donating to that carbon. So this is the least stable. So now A, B, C, which is most stable conjugate base. Most stable conjugate base, which is the strong conjugate base. Strong conjugate base. So here, which is came from least acidic, that is the strong conjugate base. Here C is more strong conjugate base than B, B is more conjugate base than A. That is the very important, students. So this is the acidic nature of the alkanes. Alkanes are least acidic. Alkanes are least acidic when compared to remaining all organic compounds. Why? Because here plus I groups are there. So alkyl groups nothing but that are plus I groups. That are plus I groups. So next go to alkenes. So alkenes also same manner. Number of carbons increases, acidic nature decreases. Number of carbons increases, plus I of it increases, plus I of it increases, acidic nature decreases. Acidic nature decreases. That is the very, very important, students. When compared to alkenes and alkanes, which is the more acidic? Alkenes are more acidic. Alkenes are more acidic. For example, CH2, CH double bond, CH2 is more acidic. CH3, CH2. So that is the more acidic than CH3, CH2, double bond, CH2. So number of carbons increases, acidic nature decreases. Number of carbons increases, acidic nature decreases. So here CH2, CH minus, next CH3, CH, CH2, CH minus, next CH3, CH2, CH, double bond, CH minus. So this is the most stable. This carbanion is more stable than this. Why? Because here alkyl groups are electron donating groups. Alkyl groups are electron and donating groups. The stability of carbanion is decreased by donating groups. Stability of carbanion decreased by donating groups. So this is the most stable. This is the most stable than this. So stability decreases. So which anion is more stable? That compound easily give H plus ions. The compound easily give H plus ion. So this is the more acidic. This is the more acidic. So here one more important bit, which is the basic nature order, conjugate base order. So which is the strong conjugate base. So here A, B, C. So C is more conjugate base than B, B is more conjugate base than A. So acidic nature is, this is the more acidic, A is more acidic, B is more acidic than C. So conjugate base reverse. The conjugate base came from weak acid, that is the strong, that is a strong, that is the very, very important. So next, when compared to alkenes and alkanes, which is the more acidic? Alkenes are more acidic. Alkenes are more acidic. Why? Because so lose H plus ion, so that is convert to CH2, CH minus. Lose H plus ion, CH3, CH2 minus. So this is the most stable carbanion when compared to this. So this is the most electronegative carbon. This carbon is a most electronegative carbon when compared to this carbon. So this is the sp carbon, double bond carbon is sp2 carbon. So here sp3 carbon, this is a sp3 carbon. This is the donating group, this is the withdrawing group, electron accepting this. So sp2 carbon is a most electronegative group, more electronegative carbon. This is the more minus I group, this is a plus I group. So this CH3 donating to this carbon, here negative charge is stability of negative charge decreases. The stability of this carbon is decreases. Here stability increases due to some negative character. When compared to this carbon is more stable. When compared to this carbon is more stable. That's why this is the more stable. That's why this compound easily give H plus ion when compared to this compound. So which are the following? More Ka. This is the more Ka when compared to this. So which one is more pKa? So this is a less pKa when compared to this compound. So these are very important students. Alkenes are more acidic. Why? Because that have sp2 carbon, more negative effect is there. More negative carbon when compared to alkane carbons. So S character increases, electronegativity increases, electronegativity increases, acidic nature increases. Electronegativity increases, acidic nature increases. So alkenes are more acidic than alkanes. Alkenes are more acidic than alkanes. Next, when compared to alkynes. So alkynes, alkenes, alkanes, which are more acidic. Alkynes are more acidic. Alkynes are more acidic when compared to alkenes. When compared to alkenes, alkenes are more acidic than alkanes when compared to alkanes. So this is the sp3 carbon, that is the plus I group. Here sp2 carbon, this is the minus I nature is there. So this is the sp carbon, S character increases, electronegativity of the carbon increases, electronegativity increases, minus I effect increases. So this is the more acidic. So CH triple bond C minus is more stable than CH double bond CH minus. Next CH3 CH2 minus. Here carbanion is more stable, that's why this is easily give H plus ions. Easily give H plus ions when compared to remaining compounds. So this is the more negative carbon this when compared to this carbon. This is more negative carbon when compared to this carbon. This is the donating carbon. So alkynes are more acidic. Alkynes are more acidic than alkenes. Alkenes are more acidic than alkanes. Now, which of the following conjugate base is A? So this is the A, this is the B, this is the C. Which is strong conjugate base? Which is the strong conjugate base? This is the strong conjugate base. C is more strong conjugate base than B. B is more strong conjugate base than A. So more strong conjugate base and more nucleophilicity, easily electron donating to any atom. Easily electron donating to any atom. So in alkynes, which is more acidic? In alkynes, which is more acidic? So alkynes are more acidic than alkenes. Alkenes are more acidic than alkanes. In alkynes, which one is more acidic? Which one is more acidic? So acetylene, propyne, one propyne. So next butane, butane is more acidic than 2-butane. These have no acidic characters. Why? Because there is no acidic hydrogen. Least acidic. So here more acidic hydrogens are there, as the triple bonded hydrogens are more acidic hydrogens. Why? Because that carbon is sp carbon, most electronegative carbon. That compound easily give H plus ions. So this is no lose any acidic characters, no acidic characters. Why? Because there is no acidic hydrogen. So this is the most stable carbanion when compared to this compound. Why? Because here methyl group is a electron donating groups. So due to electron donating groups, negative charge on the carbon increases, stability decreases. Stability decreases. When compared to this compound, this is the less stable. Why? Because here more plus I effect. Plus I if it increases, the stability of carbanion decreases. Stability of carbanion decreases. Plus I if it increases, stability of carbanion decreases. That's why this is the least stable. That's why this compound donation of H plus is very less extent donating of H plus by that compound. So here this compound is easily donate the H plus ions. Why? Because this carbanion is more stable. So acetylene is more acidic than propyne. Propyne is more acidic than butane. Butane is one butane is more very more acidic than 2-butane. 2-butane is very less acidic. Very less acidic. So here very important one point is there: alkenes, alkynes and alkanes, alkanes, alkenes, alkynes. So alkanes, does not react with any metals, and RMGX and ammonical cuprous chloride and ammonical silver nitrate. This is the Tollens reagent, and sodamide NaNH2. Why? Because that are very least acidic. So not this acidic, this hydrogen not replaced by these groups. So and also does not react with bases NaOH, KOH and carbonates, bicarbonates. These are not react with carbonates, bicarbonates, and next hydroxides, sodamide. This all compounds does not react with alkanes. So alkanes does not react with these compounds. And also alkenes also does not react with these compounds. Alkenes also does not react with these compounds. So based on this reactions, alkenes and alkanes are very less acidic when compared to alkynes. So alkynes are react with these reagents. So why? Because alkynes are more acidic. So alkynes are react with metals. Alkynes are react with RMGX. Alkynes are react with ammonical cuprous chloride, ammonical silver nitrate, sodamide, and does not react with bases. This is the very important. So alkynes does not react with bases. Except these compounds, alkynes are react with these compounds. Why? Because more acidic. In alkynes, which alkynes are react with these reagents? So which alkynes? Terminal alkynes, acetylene and terminal alkynes react with these reagents. So remaining alkynes, non-terminal alkynes does not react with these reagents. Alkynes does not react with bases and carbonates, bicarbonates. Any alkynes does not react. But non-terminal alkynes does not react with these reagents also. Only terminal alkynes react with these reagents. What are that, students? Acetylene react with these reagents, and propyne react with these reagents, 1-butane react with this reagent, 1-pentane react with these reagents, 1-hexane react with these reagents. These all reagents indicates acidic nature of alkynes. So what is the difference between alkenes and alkynes? Alkynes react with this reagent, terminal alkynes react with these reagents, alkenes does not react with these reagents. That is the basic difference of acidic nature of alkanes, alkenes, alkynes. So alkanes does not react with this reagent, alkenes also does not react with these reagents. So alkanes, alkenes, alkynes all hydrocarbons, this is all hydrocarbons, alkanes, alkenes, alkynes does not react with bases and bicarbonates and carbonates. Why? Because least acidic. Why? Because least acidic. So next go to acidic nature of alcohols. Acidic nature of alcohols. Ethyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, and propyl alcohol. So butyl alcohol. So which is the more acidic? How to explain which is the more acidic? Based on intermediate. So CH3O minus, CH3O minus, CH3O minus, CH3CH2O minus, and CH3CH2CH2O minus, CH3CH2CH2CH2O minus. Which carbanion is most stable? That compound easily give H plus ions. That compound easily give H plus ions. So here methyl group donating to electrons to oxygen. Here methyl group donating to electron to oxygen. So number of carbons increases. Number of carbons increases. Plus iapate increases. Plus iapate increases. Plus iapate increases. The stability of anion decreases. Stability of anion decreases. So here plus iapate increases. This is the more plus iapate. That carbanion is less stable. That carbanion is less stable. So this compound very less extent give H plus ions, very less extent dissociate. Here Ka value is very less. Ka value very less than 1. Very less than 1. So here Ka value less means that compound less extent dissociation, very less extent dissociation. So this compound is weak acidic. That compound is weak acidic. So the intermediate is most stable, that reactant positively involved in reaction. The intermediate is most stable, this intermediate is most stable, this is the reactant positively involved in reaction that convert to that intermediate. So here this intermediate is most stable, this intermediate is most stable when compared to remaining. Here methyl alcohol easily lose H plus ion when compared to remaining. So here A, B, C, D. So which is more acidic? A is more acidic than B, B is more acidic than C, C is more acidic than D. In conjugate base, which is the more base? So D is more basic and C is more basic than B, B is more basic than A. In conjugate base, the conjugate base came from weak acid, that is the strong conjugate base. That is strong conjugate base. So this is the strong conjugate base when compared to remaining. So next, one more example. So this is the butyl alcohol. This is the isobutyl alcohol. This is the tetrabutyl alcohol. So which is the same carbons, which is more acidic, which is more acidic. Lose H plus ions. This lose H plus ions, that is convert to O minus. This is the lose H plus ions. Convert to O minus. This is the lose H plus ions. O minus. So here Brand's increases, that is easily donating to electrons to that O minus. Here negative charge increases more when compared to here. Here negative charge is more increases when compared to remaining. So carbons are same, but here directly donating to that oxygen. So negative charge increases, the charge on the atom increases, stability of that atom is decreases. This is the less stable. So this compound not easily convert to these compounds. So here less extent dissociate when compared to remaining compounds. So which is more acidic, students? This is the more acidic. So A is more acidic than B, B is more acidic than C. So A is more acidic than B, B is more acidic than C. In conjugate base, C is more basic, and compared to B, B is more basic than A. In conjugate bases, which is more basic nature? This is the more basic when compared to this. This is the more basic than this. Why? Because here negative charge is less stable, that is easily attract the H plus ions. Easily attract the H plus ions. Strong attract the H plus ions in this compound. So H plus ion easily, this compound easily attract the H plus ions when compared to the remaining compounds. So these are examples of alcohols. One more example, students. So this is the secondary profile alcohol, and this is the tetrabutyl alcohol. So this is the A, B, and C, and D, E. So this is the primary alcohol, secondary alcohol. This is also primary alcohol. This P primary. This is also primary. This is the secondary alcohol. This is the tertiary alcohol. So in which case easily lose H plus ions. So methyl alcohol A is more acidic. Why? Because here carbanion is more stable. The anion is more stable, not a carbanion. Anion is more stable. Next B. So next C, next D, next E. So E is less acidic when compared to the remaining compounds. Why? Because here anion is least stable. So anion is least stable. That's why this compound less extent dissociate, very less extent. So here Ka value is very less. So Ka value, what is the correct order of Ka value? So A is greater than B is greater than C, C is greater than D, D is greater than E. What is the correct order of pKa value? What is the correct order of pKa value? So A is less than B, B is less than C, C is less than D, D is less than E. So less acidic, more pKa. Less acidic, more pKa. Why? Because here pKa equal to, what is the formula, students? Minus log Ka. Ka value is more, pKa value is less. Ka value less, pKa value is more. So in acidic properties, alcohols, in acidic properties, alcohols, in acidic properties, alcohols react with metals, and alcohols easily react with RMGX, and alcohols easily react with carboxylic acids. So this all are indicates acidic nature of alcohols. So alcohols react with alkali metals, all alkali metals and all alkaline earth metals and aluminum. And alcohols react with RMGX, alcohols react with carboxylic acids. This all reactions, alcohol react with carboxylic acid, that is the esterification. Alcohol react with RMGX, that indicates acidic nature. Alcohol react with metals, that is also indicate the acidic nature. In these reactions, which alcohol is more reactive, which is more acidic nature, that is the more reactive. So methyl alcohol is more reactive than primary alcohols. Primary is more reactive than secondary. Secondary is more reactive than tertiary alcohols. So which alcohol mostly react with sodium metal, methyl alcohol? Which alcohol is mostly react with RMGX? Which alcohol is mostly react with carboxylic acid? So methyl alcohol. The reactivity order is methyl alcohol is greater than primary alcohol. Primary alcohol is greater than secondary. Secondary is greater than tertiary. This all reactions indicates acidic nature of alcohols. So which is the more acidic, which is the less acidic based on acidic nature. So why this methyl alcohol is more acidic? The carbanion is more, the anion is more stable when compared to remaining. So that is the very important students. So alcohols does not react with bases and carbonates and bicarbonates and carbonates. Why? Because least acidic. Alkynes also does not react with these compounds. Alkynes also does not react with these compounds. Alkenes does not react with metals, does not react with RMGX. That is the very important. So next go to acidic nature of carboxylic acid. In organic, acidic nature of carboxylic acids are very important. Acidic nature of carboxylic acids are more important. Acidic nature of carboxylic acids. Acidic nature of carboxylic acids. So here formic acid is more acidic than benzoic acid. So that are more acidic than remaining carboxylic acids. So here some acidic negative character is there, but this is the more acidic. Why? Because this is easily decomposes to give H plus ions. Here Ka value is more than this acids. So formic acid is more acidic than acetic acid. Benzoic acid is more acidic than acetic acid. So acetic acid, when compared to acetic acid, formic acid is more acidic. Why? Because so here hydrogen not a inductive effect, no, zero inductive effect. Here zero inductive effect, not a positive effect, not a negative effect. Here methyl group is a plus M groups. Here donating to electrons, that time this oxygen not easily donate H plus ions. So H plus ions not easily donating by this oxygen. Why? Because here plus I group is there. So for example, donate the H plus ions to form carbanion. So So here CH3, C double bond O, O minus. So this negative ion is less stable. This carboxylate ion is less stable when compared to this carboxylate ion. So formate ion is more stable than acetate ion. Formate ion is more stable than acetate ion. Formate ion is more stable than acetate ion. That is the very important. Here formate ion more stable. Why? Because here hydrogen is a zero inductive effect. Hydrogen is a zero inductive effect. That is a very important. So here methyl group is a more plus I group. Here plus I group, that is donating to this oxygen. So that is the negative charge on the oxygen increases. Negative charge on the oxygen increases. That is the less stable. Here stability decreases. Here stability decreases by methyl groups. That's why this is the least stable when compared to this. So here Ka value is more. Here Ka value is more than here Ka value. Why? Because here more extent is dissociate when compared to this compound. So formic acid is more acidic than acetic acid. Acetic acid is more acidic than propanoic acid. Number of carbons increases, acidic nature decreases. So number of carbons increases. So plus I effect increases. Plus I effect increases. Acidic nature decreases. Number of carbons increases. Plus I effect increases. Plus I effect increases. Acidic nature decreases. Why? Because that anion is least stable. Plus I effect increases, that anion is least stable. That's why not easily give H plus ions. So number of carbons increases, acidic nature decreases. So negative groups increases, minus I effect increases. For example, CH3, CH2, CHF, COOH, and next CH3, CH2, CHCl, COOH, and CH3, CH2, CHBr, COOH. Next CH3, CH2, CHI, COOH. So here negative effect, which is more minus I, F is more minus I than chlorine, chlorine is more minus I than iodine. Minus I nature increases, acidic nature increases. Why? Because a carbanion or anion stability is increased by negative groups. So you lose H plus ion, here minus, here lose H plus ion, get minus, here lose H plus ion, get minus, here lose H plus ion, get minus. The negative charge is stabilized by this F minus, here negative charge is stabilized by Cl minus, here negative charge is stabilized by Br minus, here negative charge is stabilized by I minus. Which one is more stabilized, which one is more minus I effect, that is more stabilized the anion. So that anion is more stabilized by more minus I group. So in case of A, B, C, D, which is more acidic, which is more acidic. So A is more acidic. Why? Because that is easily give H plus ions. Here strong minus I group. So here acidic nature is A is greater than B, B is greater than C, C is greater than D. So minus I effect increases, acidic nature increases. Minus I effect increases, acidic nature increases. So which one have more acidic nature? In all cases, chlorine is there except this compound. So A, B, C, D. So D is least acidic. Why? Because there is no negative effect. There is no negative groups. So in which is more acidic? B is more acidic. Why? Because the chlorine very near to the that group. So distance increases, the distance increases, inductivity decreases. Distance increases, inductivity decreases. Inductivity is depending on distance. So B is more acidic than A is more acidic than C is more acidic than D. Why? B is more acidic, that chlorine is very near to carbon, that more electrons attract from the carboxylic group. So this is the acidic nature of the. So number of negative groups increases, acidic nature increases. Number of negative groups increases, acidic nature increases. So CCl3 COOH is more acidic than CHCl2 COOH, that is more acidic than CHCl CH3Cl COOH, that is more acidic than CH3COOH. So negative groups, number of negative groups increases, acidic nature increases. Minus I apatis increases, acidic nature increases. For example, CH2 NF3 plus more acidic than CH2 NF3 NO2 COOH more acidic than CH2 CN COOH more acidic than CH2FCOOH. Here minus I group's order is NF3 plus more minus I groups. More minus I, next NO2, next CN, next F. So minus I nature increases, acidic nature increases. Minus I nature increases, acidic nature increases. Minus I nature increases, acidic nature increases. This is the more minus I, that is the more acidic. That is more acidic. Okay, students. So next, some more important examples in acidic nature of carboxylic acids. So oxalic acid is more acidic than malonic acid. Malonic acid is more acidic than succinic acid. This is the more acidic than glutaric acid. Glutaric acid is more acidic than adipic acid. More acidic than adipic acid. This is the adipic acid, oxalic acid, malonic acid, succinic acid, glutaric acid and adipic acid. Number of carbons increases, plus iapate increases, acidic nature decreases. Number of carbons increases, plus iapate increases, acidic nature decreases. Why? Because here anion is less stable, Why? Because these are donating groups, donate the electrons to the anion. Electrons donating to the anion. The anion on oxygen atom negative charge is increased by this alkyl groups. So the anion is least stable. So this is not easily give H plus ions when compared to remaining. So more acidic. Oxalic acid is more acidic. Here simple logic. Number of carbons increases, plus IF8 increases, plus IF8 increases, acidic nature decreases. Acidic nature decreases. So this is a very important, students. So carboxylic acids are more acidic than alcohols. Carboxylic acids are more acidic than alcohols. So acidic nature of in general compounds, sulfonic acids are more acidic. Next, carboxylic acids. So carboxylic acids are more acidic than carbonic acid. Carbonic acid is more acidic than phenols, simple phenols. So in phenols, negative groups increases, acidic nature increases. So that is explained by isomeric acid and resonance. And phenols are more acidic than methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol is more acidic than water. Water is more acidic than primary alcohols. Primary alcohols are more acidic than secondary alcohols. Secondary alcohols are more acidic than tertiary alcohols. Number of carbons increases, plus IF8 increases. Plus IF8 increases, acidic nature decreases. So alcohols are more acidic than alkynes, terminal alkynes. Terminal alkynes are more acidic than ammonia. Ammonia is more acidic than alkenes. Alkenes are more acidic than alkanes. Alkanes least acidic when compared to all compounds. And compared to all compounds. So here important logic is there. So metals, one simple logic, all compounds react with metals or not. Up to liquid ammonia, these all compounds. So sodium metals react with from sulfonic acid to liquid ammonia. That all are give H2 gas. All are give H2 gas. Which of the following compounds react with metals? Which of the following compounds react with metals? These all compounds react with metals up to ammonia. Up to ammonia. And next, react with bases from sulfonic acid to SO3H. Sulfonic acid to up to phenols. Up to phenols only react with bases. Phenols react with bases. Phenols react with bases. Phenols react with bases. So alcohols does not react with bases, and alkynes does not react with bases. Water does not react with base. Base dissolve in water. Base dissolve in water. And ammonia does not react with base. Alkenes and alkanes does not react with bases. And next, so base react with these compounds to form salt and waters. Carbonates, Na2CO3. Which compounds react with carbonates? sulfonic acids to carbonic acid up to carbonic acids, from sulfonic acid to up to sulfonic acids, sorry, carbonic acid that are react with carbonates and bicarbonates. Carbonates and bicarbonates react with sulfonic acid, carboxylic acids and carbonic acid. Phenols does not react with carbonates and bicarbonates. Alcohol does not react with carbonates and bicarbonates. Alkynes does not react with carbonates and bicarbonates. And alkenes does not react with carbonates and bicarbonates. Alkanes does not react with carbonates and bicarbonates. Up to here only react. But some of the phenol derivatives also react with carbonates and bicarbonates, that are 2,4-dinitrophenol react with carbonates and bicarbonates, and also picric acid also react with carbonates and bicarbonates. What is the picric acid, students? 2,4,6-trinitrophenol. That is the picric acid. Picric acid react with all. Picric acid is more acidic. Picric acid is more acidic than these all compounds. So why? Because this is the more acidic, that is the strong minus M groups. These are more strong minus M groups, that is explained by mesomeric acid and resonance acids. So aromatic compound, acidic nature of aromatic compounds I explained in next video. That video is very important, students. So which of the following more react with metals? This is the more react, except this compound, leave it that compounds. So which compound is more reactive with metals? So these compounds are more reactive with metals. Which compound is more reactive with carbonates and bicarbonates? These compounds are more reactive with carbonates and bicarbonates. So more acidic nature, more reactive with these reagents. More reactive with these reagents. And next, RMGX. So RMGX react with up to alkynes, terminal alkynes, and ammonia also little bit react. Ammonia also little bit react. Up to ammonia, RMGX react with. Up to ammonia, RMGX react with that compounds. Up to ammonia, RMGX react with that compounds. So RMGX react with up to ammonia. That is the very important, students. So next, sodamide, NaNH2. Up to alkynes, this is react. Sodamide react with up to alkynes. So alkanes and alkenes does not react with metals, does not react with RMGX, does not react with bases, does not react with RMGX, does not react with sodamide, does not react with all reagents. But alkynes and alcohols does not react with bases. From alcohols onwards, does not react with bases and carbonates and bicarbonates. Carbonates and bicarbonates. So negative here, very important. Some key point. One key point is there. Negative FATs increases. Acidic nature increases. Acidic nature increases, that all compounds more react with this metals. Acidic nature increases, react with it towards this compounds more. Okay, students. So in last and final, I will explain one example. Which of the following is more acidic? So which is the more acidic? Which is more negative effect, more negative group, that is the more acidic. So here C is more acidic than A is more acidic than B is more acidic than D. Why? Because this is the more negative group, that is withdraw the more electrons. Withdrawing more electrons from this compound, this is easily give H plus ions. That is easily give H plus ions. Okay, students, have to practice the plus I groups, order of the plus I and order of the minus I. You know that orders, easily identify the which is the more acidic, which is the more basic, which is more stable carbanion, which is more stable carbocation. So you know that orders, you have to practice that orders. That orders are very important, students. So thank you very much. In basic nature I will explain in next video. Next video is very important, students, don't miss it. Thank you very much.